MH ribbon and tape factories have 100 sets of computer jacquard machines, 2,000 sets of ingot looms, 100 sets of different kinds of non-shuttle machines, as well as production line of binding tape and cutting ribbon with 1,000 tons annual output. Main products are knitting tape, knitting elastic tape, knitting non-elastic tape, wrapping tape, woven tape, PP tape, wrapping tape, woven elastic tape, polyester tape, curtain tape, elastic braid, PP rope, round rope, zig-zag ribbon, fancy crochet rope, cotton crochet lace, fringe lace, etc. MH ribbon and tape advantage. Full category, all in sample card. Fast delivery time. High production efficiency, quality and stability with Ocotex 100 certificate. Efficient supply chain management, effective cost control. Contact us now to get the right products